What's up? Welcome back to HomeGuard Tech, your spot for the coolest smart home gadgets. Today, we're solving the biggest home problems: broken automation, laggy locks, and messy setups with 20 gadgets that actually make life easier. Hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment for what you want to see next on HomeGuard Tech. Device number 20. TP-Link Kasa Smart Plug. Most smart homes fail at the most basic level: power control. Smart electrical sockets fix that silently. They let you control appliances that were never designed to be smart. Lamps, heaters, coffee machines. Even old fans. What makes them valuable isn't turning things on and off. It's automation. You schedule power, cut standby energy drain, automatically shut devices off when you leave home. Some models even track energy usage, showing exactly where electricity is being wasted. They're not exciting. No screens, no flashy lights. But smart sockets are the foundation of any reliable smart home. Without clean power control, everything else eventually becomes unreliable. Device number 19. Ring Video Doorbell 4. Ever wondered why your smart home still feels dumb? Stick around, because these first few devices will fix problems you didn't even know you had. A knock at the door shouldn't create anxiety. Smart Video Doorbells solve that by giving you awareness instead of guesswork. You see who's there, you talk from anywhere, and you stop missing deliveries or unexpected visitors. Modern doorbells go beyond basic video. Person detection reduces false alerts. Night vision stays clear. Local storage options reduce privacy concerns. Some even recognize familiar faces and adjust notifications accordingly. The biggest shift here is mental. You stop rushing to the door. You stop wondering who rang. Your home becomes aware before you are, and that's what smart security should feel like. Device number 18. Levoit LV600HH Humidifier. This is one of the most overlooked smart home upgrades and one of the most impactful. Dry air causes poor sleep, irritated skin, cracked furniture, and constant congestion. Whole home humidifiers fix all of that automatically. Instead of filling tiny tanks every day, these systems integrate directly with your HVAC setup. Sensors monitor humidity in real time and adjust levels without you touching anything. Your air stays balanced, not damp, not dry, just right. They're not cheap, and installation isn't DIY friendly. But once installed, you stop thinking about air quality entirely. And that's the sign of a smart system done right. Device number 17. Haiku Home L-Series Smart Ceiling Fan. Ceiling fans don't just move air, they control comfort more efficiently than air conditioning alone. Smart ceiling fans take that idea further by responding to temperature, time of day, and room occupancy. They adjust speed automatically, reverse airflow in winter, sync with thermostats to reduce energy usage. Some models even shut off when the room is empty, saving power without sacrificing comfort. The result is subtle but powerful. Rooms feel better, energy bills drop, and you stop manually adjusting switches throughout the day. Device number 16. SimpliSafe Home Security System. Traditional security systems react after something happens. Smart security systems focus on prevention and awareness. Motion sensors, door sensors, glass break detection, cameras that actually know what they're looking at. Modern systems integrate with phones, lighting, and locks. If motion is detected at night, lights turn on. If a door opens unexpectedly, you're alerted instantly. Everything works together instead of as isolated devices. The real value isn't fear, it's confidence. You leave home knowing it's monitored. You sleep knowing your system isn't just armed, but aware. Device number 15. Withings Body Plus Smart Scale. Smart homes aren't just about convenience, they can actively improve your well-being. Health technology devices integrate with your home to monitor air quality, sleep, and even personal activity levels. For example, smart air quality monitors detect allergens, VOCs, and pollution. Some systems automatically adjust ventilation, humidifiers, or even air purifiers to keep the environment safe and comfortable. Smart sleep trackers connected to lighting and thermostats can gently adjust conditions to help you wake naturally, improving productivity and mood. The beauty here is invisible support. These devices work quietly, giving you real-time insights and adjustments without you needing to think about it. Device number 14. Lutron Serena Smart Shades. Blinds and curtains aren't just decorative, they control light, temperature, and privacy. Smart window treatments automate these functions based on schedules, sunlight, or even your presence. Imagine your living room slowly brightening in the morning while your bedroom shades remain closed. Afternoon sun heating the room? Blinds close automatically to maintain comfort. Evening movie time? Curtains close without a tap. It's seamless integration. Comfort, energy savings, and privacy without ever touching a switch. That's what makes smart window treatments truly smart. Device number 13. Amazon Echo. 5th Gen. Voice assistants aren't just gimmicks, they unify your smart home. Devices from multiple brands, protocols, and functions suddenly respond to one natural interface. You can adjust lights, thermostats, locks, and even appliances with simple commands. Set routines. Good morning opens blinds, starts the coffee maker, and turns on your news briefing. Movie time dims lights, lowers blinds, and activates your home theater. The real advantage is frictionless interaction. No apps, no buttons. Just speak and your home listens, learns, and reacts. Some of these gadgets look simple, but they secretly save hours of stress every week. Wait until you see number 11. It completely changes how your home works. Device number 1 to iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Robot helpers aren't just vacuums anymore. Modern models sweep, mop, scrub, and even carry small loads. Some can navigate cluttered rooms, avoid obstacles, and map your home for efficient cleaning. The time savings is enormous. You schedule tasks, and the robots maintain your space while you work, cook, or relax. Advanced models even report on room conditions, like dust levels or floor stains, so you always know when intervention is needed. They're not toys, they're autonomous assistants that free up time and energy every day. Device number 11. Anker PowerPort Atom 3 Charging Station. Nothing kills a smart home vibe faster than messy cables and dead devices. Smart charging stations solve this, consolidating multiple devices into one neat, automated hub. Modern stations handle phones, tablets, laptops, earbuds, even gaming devices simultaneously. Some include fast charging, wireless pads, and device monitoring. Schedule power delivery or integrate with routines so your gadgets are always ready when you are. It's convenience and order in one device. One station, zero clutter, fully automated power management. Device number 10. Tovala Smart Oven. Smart cooktops bring precision and automation to your kitchen. These devices adjust temperature automatically, monitor cooking progress, and even suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge. Some models integrate with smartphone apps or voice assistants. Start preheating before you enter the kitchen, receive alerts when your food is ready, or automatically reduce heat to prevent burning. The real benefit? Perfectly cooked meals every time, energy savings, and fewer kitchen mishaps without hovering over the stove. Device number 9. Chamberlain Mix Smart Garage Hub. Garage doors are often the weakest link in home security. Smart openers allow you to monitor and control access from anywhere, receive alerts if the door is left open, schedule automatic closures, integrate cameras to see who arrives or leaves. Some even recognize your car and open automatically as you approach. Its security and convenience rolled into one simple device, no more forgotten doors or keys. Device number 8. Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Bulb. Lighting sets the mood and affects productivity, sleep, and focus. Smart bulbs allow you to change brightness, color, and schedules with a tap or voice command. Some models sync with music or movies. Others adjust automatically based on time of day, sunlight, or activity. This isn't just about style. It's about controlling your environment for comfort, energy efficiency, and personal well-being. Device number 7. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch. While bulbs are essential, the controllers make your system truly intelligent. Wall panels, smart switches, and motion sensors give you precise control over all your lighting, automatically dim or brighten rooms, integrate with routines, or set safety protocols. Motion-triggered lights protect entrances or hallways at night. It's seamless automation that keeps your home efficient and responsive without constantly fiddling with switches. Device number 6, Moen Smart Faucet Smart Shower Controller. Bathrooms and kitchens are prime spots for smart innovation. Smart faucets, showers, and leak detectors combine convenience with efficiency, adjust water temperature remotely, monitor usage, and prevent costly damage with automatic leak detection. Some devices even track water consumption to help save money and reduce environmental impact. This transforms everyday routines into stress-free, smart experiences. Device number 5, Samsung Family Hub Smart Refrigerator. Smart refrigerators are more than just storage, they're your kitchen assistant. Some models track expiration dates, suggest recipes based on available ingredients, and send alerts if the door is left open. Built-in cameras let you check contents from your phone while grocery shopping. Some even integrate with voice assistants for hands-free operation. The real win? Reduced food waste, better organization, and a smarter, connected kitchen experience. Device number 4, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Smart thermostats optimize your home's temperature automatically. They learn your schedule, adjust based on occupancy, and even react to weather changes outside. Some models integrate with voice assistants or smart routines, allowing remote control, energy-saving reports, and adaptive comfort. The benefit is simple: lower energy bills, personalized comfort, and no manual tinkering ever again. The last few devices are the game changers, the ones that make your home feel like it's from the future. Don't blink, or you'll miss the ultimate smart home upgrade. Device number 3, August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Security meets convenience with smart locks. They allow keyless entry, remote access, and real-time notifications whenever someone enters or leaves. Many support fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, or smartphone apps. You can also set temporary access for guests or service providers. This eliminates forgotten keys, strengthens home security, and provides peace of mind. Device number 2, Flow by Moen Smart Water Leak Detector. Water leaks are a silent threat to homes. Smart detectors alert you instantly via phone notifications when they sense leaks, high humidity, or unusual water flow. Some models can automatically shut off the main water supply to prevent damage. Placement under sinks, near washing machines, or around water heaters ensures maximum coverage. The payoff: early warnings, disaster prevention, and major repair savings. Device number 1, Control for Smart Home Automation Hub. Finally, the ultimate smart home hub. This control panel unifies every smart device, giving you centralized management for lights, locks, appliances, cameras, and sensors. Custom dashboards display energy usage, security status, and environmental controls. Some panels also allow remote access, routine automation, and notifications for critical events. This is where a smart home becomes intuitive, everything visible, manageable, and automated in one place. Conclusion: every gadget on this list solves a real problem in your home. From smart sockets that power your devices efficiently to control panels that unify your entire smart ecosystem. These devices aren't just gimmicks, they make your life easier, safer, and more convenient. Some improve security, some save energy, some simplify chores, and some elevate your daily comfort. The key takeaway? A truly smart home isn't just about having devices, it's about having devices that work together seamlessly and reliably. If you found even one of these gadgets useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment to tell us which gadget you want to see reviewed in detail next. Single quotes T. Forget to check the description for all the buy links to grab your favorites before they're gone. Upgrade your home, save time, reduce stress, and turn your house into the smartest home on the block.